Hello everyone, JRDukes here with JRDukes.com, coming at you with another video. I'm here with my girlfriend Rose, and we are hitting the estate sales today, and we are going to hit this, it's kind of a combination flea market slash estate sales slash garage sale. It's just a bunch of people locally here in our hometown of Zephyrhills, Florida, that all got together, and they got different booths set up. So we're going to get out and take a look, so let's get right into it.
How you doing?
Well, I was over courtside, and everybody was down here.
Oh,
so
okay.
I said,
do they do this often around here? Have little get-together?
Well, mostly on Tuesdays and Thursdays when the market's open.
Okay.
Everybody tries to, not as many as there was. I thought there was more vendors at one time.
I've seen them here before on and off.
Yeah,
so.
I'm usually here. I'm usually over the first one right there.
This is a good idea because you get all the traffic coming in and out of the city and Zephyrhills right here. So that's
right. Usually they'll close. The market will close out. It only goes to I think April. So it gets too hot here in Florida to have people. But you know.
Which market are you talking about? The flea market or that new one?
Yeah.
The new flea market?
Well, that's a couple years old.
Oh, is it now? Okay, yeah, it goes fast, don't it? Yeah.
Yeah, they don't have too many vendors that I heard.
Yeah, well, they just started out, so... Well, I know a couple of years, they should be big, is it...
people aren't, no.
Nah, well, probably with COVID and everything, everybody's staying home anyway, so I don't know.
I think people are getting to the point where they want out, you know. These are all my orchids. I grow all of these.
Oh, they're beautiful.
And they're not expensive. I tried to do a little bit for Valentine's Day, too. I know it's a little ways away. These are all the Phalaenopsis. These are the easiest growing plants. And all I do is mist them with a spray bottle. I always say test the waters. Put your finger in there. If it comes up dry, then it's not. And if there are house plants, but they can be grown outside. Aren't they beautiful?
That is nice.
This is real.
Yeah, they're real. She grows these. They're orchids. She grows those.
Yep, they're the Phalaenopsis. And don't ever give up on orchids. They can't bloom 12 months out of the year. They go dormant for a period of time. Never let them, don't get rid of them. They will come back. And they only, if you put this in your living room, they don't like direct light. For one thing, I didn't bring the tent, but you should be fine. They don't like movement. They like to stay in one spot and they come accustomed to it, so never move them.
Oh, nice.
But these are
That makes sense. Yeah, I know they're delicate grow. They look so good. They look fake, you know?
No, they grow in the jungles, don't forget. And nobody takes care of them in the jungles.
Almost looks like a spider at the bloom section.
These are my little faces.
Yeah.
And they're only $15 a plant.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's a good price, too. Baby, look at that. It looks like a spider on the inside of there. Can you see that?
Everybody gets a different outlook.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yes. And if you buy a basket, I usually cut down the price. And but they're beautiful, though.
It's beautiful.
Those are beautiful. Well, we appreciate letting us look. We'll think about it.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Expensive. Any kind of Harley, anything like that. Boy, Bobby would like to come down here, wouldn't he?
Going to make up a bunch of them twice. See
Nope.
Oh, look.
Let me look over here just one second.
Make earrings and that too. I'm planning on having a couple sets.
Oh, these are cool. I like that. Yeah, nice.
That's my new invention.
That's a good idea, yeah.
This is the first time I've displayed any out.
That's cute, yeah. It's a necklace, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. I like it. Good idea.
This one here is made from the snap swivels that you hook your hooks on with.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a great idea. I'm going to tell
With
my...
a rattle trap. And,
yeah. I like it.
and
It's
you
nice.
can pretty much put any kind of lure on them, you know.
I have a friend of mine. He's Mr. Fish all day long. Two guys that I know. They love to fish and stuff.
And I tell him that if he's got a certain necklace that he wants, and he's got his own lure, that I can fix it up. If he's got a special lure that he would want to make, maybe he's caught a big fish on it or something like that, and he wants
a necklace on it, sure.
Yeah, and then I can get it all fixed up.
That's very nice. You got one on your neck, right?
Yeah, this
nice.
is a little Clio spoon from Michigan.
And you can use that for like fly fishing, right? Or not?
Well, this here is a trolling spoon.
Trolling one?
It's
Okay.
pretty heavy.
Yeah.
It's heavier than a normal spoon. They use them for trolling.
I got you.
Yeah. But
Nice.
They make them in different sizes. And like there's the ladies here a while ago, and I get a lot of information. And if you got the matching, for you here,
that's adorable. I like
with
that.
the necklace.
Yeah.
Of course, you got to take the hooks.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, he takes the hooks off.
Yeah, take the hooks
they
off.
take the hooks off. Yeah.
But they were saying to get the necklaces to go with the.
So that's a good
the
idea.
Ladies would buy it, you know,
Very
for
imaginative on your part. You're thinking outside the box.
speech. Guess what? It's about 3 o'clock in the morning when I woke up, and I was thinking about selling this stuff here last week, and I said, boy, them things are awful. They make some pretty lures, some pretty paint schemes and everything. I said, necklaces.
I was listening to an audiobook, I think it was actually yesterday, and the guy was making that point that a lot of people have inspiration in the shower or 3 in the morning, 3 or 4 in the
Well, that's what
morning.
I told them ladies with there. I said, well, look for me on Fortune 500.
Yeah, hey, you never know. Ever you get a good idea like that, it takes off.
Just a thought, was talking about.
Sell them on eBay, maybe.
Yeah, I was talking here last week, with some people here, and then I come down and I showed them because they set up here, and they said, "You were serious?" And I said, "Yeah." I said, "It's just come to me." Of course, these are old cheap necklaces,
Yeah, you might be able to sell them on eBay even if you haven't done that.
I'll run my
Thank you.
house. I'll be back about.
Scooter or whatever. Yeah, that's cute. I like their tables and stuff. I need to collect more tables. Tables are nice.
It's your favorite.
Yeah, that's the kind of. Holland says it says Holland, but
Us.
well, I know. I was trying to be politically correct. I got some cushions, old little pillow cushion. $5 for both. Cute. I kind of like the way they set this up here. Let's walk over here, then we'll look at the furniture. Yarn, that stuff's expensive. Oh, that is. We need to have a baby. That's what we need.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. It's new.
That is cute shoes, the little kid shoe.
Oh, it's so cute.
That looks new. Some of those look brand new.
Yeah. Oh, I love this.
I gotta get myself a hat. I don't have enough hair in my head anymore. I'm out here in the sun. I got that one hat, but I'm not sure what I did with it. I got some knives. Oh, it's cute. Oh, it's one of them twist. Oh, you've seen those on TV. Yeah, I've seen it on TV, yeah.
$3.
Yeah, you put your feet on it and
Yeah.
twist. You seen them on TV, television?
No,
Yeah.
never. What is this? Oh, look.
Candy and baking flavoring. Oh, it's like cinnamon oil.
Oh, bake.
Oh, I think you put it in a candle. I think it's candle. Candle.
No.
Oh no, it's for pastries. It's for food.
I want a lemon, cinnamon, oil, watermelon.
Got vitamins for $3.
Wow, it's good.
That's a good price.
Oh, $1, my love. I want to buy one.
Baby, that's for like cupcakes and pastries, I think.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, yeah, massage, yeah. We should get one so you can give me a massage.
Yeah. When you give me massage,
Now you give me a massage.
yeah. How much?
$2.
I like it.
That does feel good. Cute little vibrating thing. They're good from that stuff. I've seen those before. It's the big commercial ones. They're pretty good for massaging. You don't know the expiration date on those. You got to find the expiration date. Centrum's not as tasty as gummy bears.
For woman.
You got to look for the expiration date. Let me see. I'll show you. You got to make sure it's got a good date. Dia-S, whatever.
Mira, agora macio.
I don't see an expiration date. Oh, here they are at the bottom. Oh, it's 22. It's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
222. Oh. You want gummy vitamin?
Yeah.
You want one?
It's for woman.
You are you a woman?
Of course I am woman.
I just asking. I wasn't sure. You're definitely a woman, baby.
Yeah.
Nah, that's a piece of trash. You don't need that. I'll get you this. Them things break too easy. They break too easy on those things. I have a woman here and she wants woman vitamins, so
Alright.
I just verified with her, so thank you so much. $3?
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Y'all have a good day.
Thank you. What is it?
Yeah, my woman.
Biscuit. Oh, it's biscuit cutters. Let's go look at that furniture. If you enjoyed today's video, I would appreciate it if you take a minute and hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. Thank you. Baby, I like this setup, you know, with nice and easy. Just pull up a store. I like it. This is a perfect spot right here in the shade.
Oh yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
That's what you call prime real estate right here.
Shaving.
Anything to say?
Huh?
And remember, always have a free mind. Never, never give up. I am J.R. Dukes.